Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Arweave. We're going to be looking at this from a technical analysis perspective, going through the micro, the macro, potential trade setups, and also 3 juicy bull market targets that we can be looking out for the future as well. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into this. Just quickly, I want to say congratulations to the paid patron members, the members there who got this Arweave trade yesterday in the live TA that we put out. And you can see we absolutely nailed it, 2.29% in the bag. Amazing stuff. If you guys want to get involved with the Patreon, you can. Links are all in the description. We do have paid memberships and also free memberships as well. Good stuff. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. You can see we are in a micro uptrend here for Arweave, looking pretty good overall. Seeing a gentle pullback off the volume weighted ATR band here on the 4-hour. That usually means downside, which is why we have seen a significant pullback of around 7 or 8% there. Now, what happens when we see this pullback? Usually in these uptrends, you can see that we bounce quite violently off MAs here. You can see the 55 being quite reactive, the 21 being reactive, and also the 7 SMA being super reactive for crypto as well. Now, where are we in terms of the live price? We lost the 21. We've lost the 7 SMA. So what is left for us? It's the 55. This is a very pinnacle point here for this asset right now, because this 55 sits if we lose it, there's a massive gap down to the 200 and also this level of support here as well. So that is something that we don't want to be doing. But if we do lose that, then essentially there's probably a nice clean short for around 3% down to a level of support here around 28.74. Let's do some Fibonacci retracement from the low to the current micro uptrend and see micro uptrend high and see if we can get a pullback zone. There we go. We got the 0.236 for a bounce point. So in reality, if we lose the 55, it's very likely that the position is going to be worth around 2.17% to the downside, and that is going to be your micro TA for Arweave. Let's get into the macro, and then we're going to be looking at some very, very interesting bull market targets here for this asset. Looks pretty messy right now. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to get rid of a few indicators, right? Just get rid of a few indicators and draw in some market structure for us to be using as a reference point here, okay? And I'm also going to get rid of that Fibonacci so it's not too colluding on the chart for you guys. And you know what? Sod it, I'll get rid of all that as well. Okay, so as you can see here, Arweave is doing pretty well from a macro perspective right now. We've obviously got our low in down this side. We've got higher lows coming through around this level here. And you can see these high lows, essentially, they trickle all the way up here. They trickle all the way up, and the most recent confirmed, high low would essentially be for this uptrend around, around this area here, around 23.78. So as long as we're above 23.78 and holding it, then it's very likely that we have continuation to the upside, because this determines whether we're still in a bullish market structure or not. Okay, now Fibonacci from the swing low to the current high for this right now is looking pretty good. You've got the 0.236, which we're currently holding above. So the key buying point that I would be looking out for here for AR in this current market would just be here, this lovely little pocket between 26.78 and 23.65. Okay, so that's going to be your macro TA. Overall, still looking pretty bullish. I would say that this range here that we are currently in, it would be amazing if we can break this high. If we break this high, because the range is so parallel in itself, it's very likely that we see some sort of a continuation move that would put us really up to all-time highs here with Arweave. Up in, maybe not all-time highs. No, sorry, not all-time highs, but oh, maybe. Yeah, actually, it would put us up to all-time highs of around $116 a coin there. So a couple of things to be looking out for there, I would say, if we do see a lovely breakout scenario form here. Now let's talk bull market targets, guys. Bull market targets, I think it's safe to say that we can use the previous all-time high as one. Okay, the previous all-time high would be a target of around 92. I am going to be putting in a secondary target of around the Fibonacci extension of the 0.382. And that would be, I mean, actually, that would be going off that Fibonacci. So yeah, let's not do that right now. Let's get some more decent figures, and that'll be the all-time high down to the swing low. That's basically better data here for us to be working off here, guys, for targets essentially. So let's work out that now. So it would be the all-time high as the secondary target. We would have another Fibonacci at around 245 here. As you can see, it would be central zone there. And then the next third and final checkpoint for this bull market target would actually be the 0.618 Fibonacci extension, and that would be around $688 a coin. Now, in terms of where we are, in terms of the buying zone that we have spoke about previously, this would be essentially a 2,580% move. Okay, that's a 26.8x on your investment. It's pretty unlikely for this to happen, but still, it could happen, guys. Arweave is a very, very bullish project. We're seeing a lot of people support this, like Crypto Banter and a lot of other major influencers. And they're super, super bullish on this project in general. So maybe there's 25x in the tank, maybe there's not, but these are definitely the targets that I would be looking out for here for the next bull run. Just before we end this video, guys, I want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron membership here. As you can see, we offer multiple different memberships, and these range from $10 all the way up to $104 here. And this essentially gives you access to loads of different indicators that we use, loads of different strategies. You'll also get spot trading alerts, leverage trading alerts, and also if you're looking for a course to commit to trading and really aim for that financial freedom, you get a 100% discount here on all New Money Network educational courses, and that does include a crypto masterclass 6-week course. And on top of all of that, guys, if you did want to just sign up as a free member, you can do that too, and that will essentially give you one BTC trade per day for free, a completely free setup that we offer for free members. And then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get 3 paid trade setups, as well as all the indicators and strategies that we are continuously posting over on the Telegram. Now over to the Discord for a second, guys, because there's so much stuff happening on there at the moment. The Discord itself here we actually post new projects, so alpha early insider info about new project launches and stuff like that, as you can see there. And if you did want to get involved with that, you can simply go to the link in the description and join. We also offer loads of live TA in there, and also trading alerts. And yeah, there's loads of different stuff in there, so make sure you go check it out, guys. Community chats, meme chats, weekly giveaways as well. If you are interested in committing to yourself and becoming a patron member, you can do that. Just follow the link in the description, and also the Discord link will be there for you to join as well. Thank you ever so much for watching the video, guys. That's it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.